Hi, my name's Bree and my room is a disaster. Nice to meet you. Hey, what's up? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Bree and as you can see, my room is a disaster. I don't know if you can see all those cups right there. My bed sheet isn't even on properly. I don't even want to show you the floor, but I'm going to just because people like this shit, man. I know I love watching these types of videos. I know other people do too, and my disaster is your enjoyment. That's it. That's the one. I'm just gonna start off with taking this gray sheet off my bed because my dog pissed on it. Love life. And then I'm gonna make my bed without the sheet on because we love that ratchet life. Next up, I'm going to be dealing with this area. I went to a few friends' houses and this is like all my clothes and bags from my friend's house. I just went to one friend's house. Not that it matters, but like shout out to Tim, you're my only friend. Alright, laundry has been put in. I don't know if you can hear it, you probably can, but I'm going to clean up this side table right now. Alright you guys, time to deal with this stuff. I'm pretty sure this is just empty. There's like some weird bra thingy in here. That can go with my bras. My kitty, let's just put him away. And we're done. Alright, so here is the state of my room so far. We got this area cleaned. Now it's time for this area. Hi, Felix. Alright, so time to conquer this table right here. Alright, now time for all these cords down here. This one. I need help. I got it. This can go in here. Oh my gosh, I need 2 hands for this. Anyways guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell down below so you never miss a video. I love you guys so much. Stay strong. Mwah.